So this video is for educational purposes only, and in this video we will talk about the infix to prefix and postfix conversion. And here we have infix notation. When we write expression in infix notation, the operator is always between the operands. That's why it is LOR, or left operand operator then right operand. So infix notation is what humans naturally use. As humans, it is easy to read, write, and understand an expression using infix notation, but not in computers. That's why we have prefix and postfix, which is used in programming. So here we have prefix, which is the operator is written ahead the operands, and here we have postfix, wherein the operator is written after the operands. Quick tip: the postfix notation is the reverse of the prefix notation. And here, as you can see, we have some few examples, and we will be converting these examples to prefix and postfix notation until the end of this video. And as you can see at the first example, the answers is already given, and it is very simple, but it highlights of what really is a prefix notation and a postfix notation, as well as the infix notation. Well, as what I have said earlier, in infix notation, the operator is between the operands, as you can see in this example. And then in the prefix notation, the operator is ahead of the operands, which you can see in this simple example. And at the postfix, which is just the reverse of prefix, the operator is after the operands. And here in the following examples, we'll be using PEMDAS in converting it to prefix and postfix. Parenthesis, which means PEMDAS, which means parenthesis, exponents, multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction. So now we will start to convert this first example to prefix. So first we will type the expression that is in infix notation. So A plus B and by C, so like that. Then so prefix, which means patubangan ang operator sa operands. So first here we'll be moving the operator in front of the operands. So we'll be starting here as we are using PEMDAS. So addition there, and then next is the operator in front of the C. And here we'll be using parentheses, so mas maklaro siya. So here kay move na to ni siya sa atubangan, wala na siya dira, ito balhin dre kay paano mo tapa right. No, ano to dre? Sorry guys, karon po kabantay but OLR din siya, OLR dari din siya URL. Then and also sa postfix, okay, left there, left, yes, yeah, that's the correct, and that's the correct order. So natin libog, and then here continue ta, kaya ito magibalhin ang multiplication, ang operator sa atubangan. So okay, there, so mana na siya. And then in order to kuan, after that itong button is itong i-remove ang parentheses. So this will now be dot operator, then this addition operator, then the operands, which is the A, B, and C. So this will be our prefix in this example. There. There, so ato rin siyang i-center. There, so remove. There. So next one is the postfix. We'll now convert it to postfix. So copy na to sa in here. There, so now we'll be converting it to postfix. So as I have said earlier, the postfix is the reverse of the prefix. So ang pagbalik na to sa operator is right. So here, just copy this. So bahan to siya ang the operators right. So yeah, again ibal na to ang mga operators sa right. So kanang operators between the A and B operand will be dari na, and we will use parentheses para mas maklaro. There. So karon ato na sa nibalhin is ang operator ni C. Right, Japon. So there, na. So that will be our postfix. So ang sulod na button same lang gyapon ganiha is ito siyang atong i-remove ang parentheses. There. And then remove ang parentheses, and that would be our postfix in this given example. So let's just copy this and put it right there, and then just center it. Then yeah, that would be our postfix in this given example. Now let's proceed to the next example, which is this one. Anang ato siyang i-copy. Ito rin siyang i-copy. Then I see it here. No, diba? Diyan, pabuo siya. Like that. So this we'll be converting this to prefix, converting this expression that is in infix notation to prefix notation. Therefore, ato na siyang again, press ang ibat kayo, tapos na i-copy para mas dali. And then, yeah. There, and then, again, prefix means pa left ang operators. So first, ato na ibalhin ang kaning inner nga kuan. Parenthesis. Ato na ibalhin ang operator dara ari sa front, ahead of the kanang sa kaninga parents, and then we'll be transferring the operator ni C parent sa atubangan pod. So atong ginausaw-usahan process. So C, so that's so bahan to ang C operator sa C rather, then there. So and then after that can na put si D, ito siya nga sound, and we'll be using parentheses. So kani siya kailangan to siya ibalhin ito sa front. So then butang tag parentheses and sa lipod para mabalhin to siya sa lipod. There you go. There. So ang operator ni D na parentheses ibalhin to siya sa tabangan. There. There. So so this would be our prefix. Na-convert na to sa ang infix to prefix mo na siya ang itong prefix. So the next thing we will do is remove ang parentheses. So copy na to na again, copy na to siya na ito siyang sasahon kaya taas mo siya gamay. Then remove the parentheses. Just remove the parentheses. There, and there. So there you go. This would be our prefix. So always copy na to siya. Then paste na siya. Sumonin siya tong prefix. Sa kaning given example. Paste it here, there, and then center na to siya. So yeah, and then tanong siyang i-remove. Remove na natin siya. Okay. Kanabod ta para sa kaninga example para sa postfix. So again, ito siya i-copy. Sorry, bang ito i-delete kaniya. Tanan. Ito i-delete para makita para ma-restart yun siya. So there. And then again, pabalira man ni si postfix ni prefix, no, is reverse naman siya. Again. Then again kay postfix, right, atong mga operators start ta dari kaning inner ato nang ibalhin ang operator dari kapit there, and then ito siya masasahon, and then para mas sabdan dyan, and then sunod is kani ato ni ibalhin operator para right kay para right man, so ibalhin dari kana. And then tapos na to So nabalhin naman kani and kani sa sulod. So kanina pod ang operators which is ang sa T, operator sa T, parent. So balhin para ito na mabalhin din para maklaro pod, we will put parentheses agad. So there and here, there we will add parentheses. So it will look like this. So and yeah, like that. So then again we will remove the parentheses. So now let's remove the parentheses. There. So that would be our postfix in this given example. So to say copy, and then put there. So there guys, it will be our postfix. Then center. Then this backspace, and there you go. So that will be all guys. I hope you learn something, and